All right, guys, so let's show you how to actually list a drop with MORBS token. So it's super easy to do. First thing you're going to do is go over to CAITtoken.io, and I'll put the link down here in the description. Once you get there, you're going to go ahead and log in with your Wax Cloud wallet. And when you get there, it's going to actually show you all the drops right now for MORBS. MORBS NiftyBC collection. So right above that, you'll see something that says submit your drop here. If you click that, it's going to bring you to this page, which is a form submission page, so that you can put your drop on a CAIT shop to accept MORBS token. The only thing that that is a fee is it's a 5% fee that actually goes to CAIT just for doing the processing. Everything else is yours. It's just a way to also not only give some movement to the MORBS token, but also so you can start collecting some MORBS tokens so that when we do drops, you'll be able to buy stuff. We also have a lot of metaverse events planned that you're going to be able to use those tokens at. So anyway, so first thing you want to do when you get here up top, make sure you read this up on top, guys. You have to make sure that you make sure that CAIT shop is listed right here as an authorized account. So right here, shop.CAIT. Okay, so you want to make sure you want to grab that shop.CAIT, go over to Atomic Hub, go into your NFT creator, and then go over to whatever collection you're going to be adding this to, where you're going to put your schema, and then go scroll down and go to show advanced details, and it'll bring up all your authorized account. Make sure that you put this one right here, shop.CAIT, okay? And make sure you save that, and so that this is listed now as an authorized account. That's the first thing you have to do. So that way CAIT will be able to list it on its account. The rest is a Google form, very simple to add in. You're basically just going to put in all this information. You're going to use an Atomic Hub template ID, and that goes right here. So it should look like this. This is like a wax.atomichub.io with your template URL all the way there. And then just fill out the rest of the stuff here, guys. You're going to make your template over on Atomic first. So go over to Atomic, go into your schema or make a new schema or use a schema that you have, make it template, get that template ID, so like what I'm talking about, not these ones, not the NFTs, but the actual template IDs, these ones, the number. You're going to be putting that number into this form. And then down here, this is the most important part, guys. So there's a lot of coins that you can use over at CAIT, but for MORBS, just scroll down until you see MORBS, and go ahead and make sure that that is clicked, this one right here. And so as soon as that's clicked, then just go ahead and put in the time and date. Now they do list this at UTC, okay? And it's one thing that you really want to make sure is that you remember that because the first time I used this, I didn't realize it was in UTC, and it came out a little bit earlier than expected. So make sure that you understand that is UTC time. So go do a conversion on Google and find out what that would be in your area. And then also where was I going to tell you? Make sure you put in your Wax ID here. This is where the funds come back in, so from the sale. So make sure that you have that there as well. Okay, guys? And then put in your Telegram account. Now, this does take about 24 hours to get listed. I know that that's a little bit slow, but this is just the beginning of us, guys. This is the first place we're listing. We have a lot of plans coming up, but for the time being, this is how you do it. So put it up. And then I usually ask people to reach out to me as well, so that way I can help you promote it, and I can also reach out to the devs over at CAIT to keep an eye out for any kind of drops you have coming in. So hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, reach out to me over on Twitter at MORBS15, and I'll be able to help you there as well. All right. So hopefully that helped out.